Well, the Bitcoin bull raging on, topping $60,000 today. The currency surging to levels not seen in more than 2 years. For more on what we can expect from Bitcoin and its alternatives, let's bring in Jared Blikre, who's been tracking all the moves in the crypto space for us today. Jared.
Akiko, I think a picture is worth 1,000 words. You can see on the big board behind me with the Wi-Fi Interactive, we are looking at a huge rally. Bitcoin up 7.42% over the last 24 hours, over the last 3 days. So this week up 18%. And as you said, we are approaching those highs that we had only 2 years ago. In fact, I think 65,000 is probably the last real resistance. But I've been getting those price alerts late at night, and we have just been peeling through, punching through resistance level after resistance level. And like I said, after 65,000, you got the record highs at 69,000, but I think everybody's going to be thinking about 100,000 and what that means for cryptocurrencies. Now, if we take a look at some of the crypto stocks that have been rallying, and let me put this on a 3-day view here so you can see what's been happening the entire week. MicroStrategy up 42%. This is a 5-year chart, and you can see MicroStrategy is racing towards those highs that it had a couple of years ago. Interestingly, if I put a max chart on, you're going to see the highs that we had in the last century, late 90s, actually quite a bit higher. So that company has been around quite a while. But even another, which is a relatively new entrance to the field, like Coinbase, its record high was set roughly after its IPO, which also coincided with the high that we had in Bitcoin. It has now clawed back about 50% of its losses, and if it can punch through this, looks like 215, 225 resistance level, it has a good shot at reaching those record highs. So we're seeing the crypto rally broaden not only into crypto stocks, but also some of the other tokens. I got a couple seconds left, so I just want to show you real quick here. On the top line, haven't talked about Dogecoin in a while. The 3-year chart admittedly does not look good, but over the last year you can see kind of choppy, and now it's trying to get to its own 52-week high. So even some of the laggards here finally catching up to the generals.
Okay, we'll see. I don't know, 100,000 seems a little early to call, but certainly Bitcoin bull's out there with some pretty high targets there. It does. Jared Blikre, thanks so much for that.